good. Honey, what are you cooking?
Some beef and mushrooms.
Oh, my favorite.
He says the rice dinner's almost ready.
The rice ready?
Mm-hmm.
What the hell is this?
It's rice.
It's not rice. It's brown.
Yeah, it's brown rice.
Yeah, but I don't like brown rice.
It's
I like white
healthy
rice.
for you.
I honestly don't like the way it tastes.
I don't see you complaining when your mom makes it. What are you trying to say about my cooking? Huh?
It's nasty. Ew. Yeah. Gross.